guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Justice Dube. Now make a call her Justice Dube, please. Just pity her. If you can take her back again. Can't you see? Oh, this thing go pay justice well. She become a street girl. She's begging on the street. Oh my God. Chineke me anamulara. Who do you this one? Who do you this one? Ine. Who do you this one? Totoyoto. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Musician, they dash things. This one, now second hand. Even if the shoe no size and you go wear that. If you can't go, boot go be like slippers for a leg. I say, boot will still be slippers again. They will say he get money. The other day, she went to go and rent apartment. These social media people were saying, congratulations, because she rented apartment. They said that she bought a house, $1.8 million. Do you know what is that money? Where is she going to get it? Where is she going? If she can buy a house of $1.something million, why is she begging? If she can afford that money, why is she begging? If she can afford that money, that means she have up to more than $10 million in her account. This woman was busy disgracing herself. The other day I saw her, she's crying. She said, oh, I don't like the way they are commenting. They are giving me the comment water. I said, you never know with the chest down. Even if they carry knife come like this, we know they wrong. If you will your put chest, who would they carry a coin, how go they shake? Oh, he said, oh my God. Look at the way they are giving me water. I said, you never see anything. Now even the American people will be saying they know they follow, they don't they hear pidgin English. America, now you guys you can speak pidgin English. Come, forget yo man, how you doing? Oh cool, how you doing today? What are you cooking? What do you have there? Oh my God, is the rice? Oh, blah, blah. We don't do that again, yeah. We they speak our English woto. They give it to her woto. Look at the way she's made. She's made, you know. When you see somebody, you say, wow, what makes you? She just met. I didn't say she met a man. She's finished. She's finished. She don't finish. She don't live finish. Now this one, I carry Jesus Christ never die. They say she don't bring Jesus Christ. Because I say, which one? The one where they born for Bethlehem. Now she carry come. Now Jesus Christ said that one a madman. Now he come, that one come to massage his body for Facebook. They massage his body. Now they say, hey, can I have Jesus Christ? Can I have Jesus Christ? Can I have Jesus Christ? Now, social media, they fair use you make money. Today we don't see the money. My sisters, now they laugh. We don't see money. We don't see these dope people for cyber space when they come help you fight. They damage you. They rip you and they rip your joy and your happiness. If they are looking for to enter viral now, if a virus sees you, no, when did that sickness that day? When you go see you, you know go catch you. Coronavirus, virus. When they say, lovely, they run for virus, or they run for virus. If virus see you, now you know go green and tie you. Because you are already virus, they run for you because virus cannot eat you now. It cannot penetrate you because you're already gone. Virus needs people when they're full, when their body fresh. You know, when virus visit you, they know say you fresh. They eat waiting fresh. Waiting virus what can eat for your body? Bone. Now so you can't be like tube, way less. You look like a lessy tube. You look like a lessy tube. The people when you will talk to her that they will say you are a man. Korra is better than you. Totoyoto is better than you. Totoyoto is better than you. Look at her today. She's so skinny and skinny and skinny and skinny. I don't know how she look like right now. She's now killing fly and chopping it in America street. How many Nigeria people? There is a lot of Nigeria people that travel all the way from Nigeria to America. They base there in America. They work hard. They do their normal job. There is some of them that don't even do job. They are single mother as well. They okay. Your own. You no agree they okay. When okay come, you no agree okay. Are you serious? Didn't you look at what this girl just did? She just went to the streets of America. She set her stage there. She set her stage. I don't even know who is putting her on camera. And the person that was screaming her, is it scream or ah? I don't even know the English one I want to use again. The people that was videoing her, they were using small photo video. Why did you go and pay cameraman? You could have paid cameraman. Cameraman will be that distance. Then you will focus the camera on you. Everybody that is passing, they will be seen there. The person when they do you, they use small photo, they follow you. There is no way you can move because you are so staging. You don't want to use €1 to fight 5 cents. If you use €1 to fight 5 cents, you will make it alive. But if you don't want to fight that 5 cents with €1, you go there's common camera. You can't even provide cameraman. You can't pay for cameraman. Totoyoto. You are just a disgrace. To a musician, I don't know the kind of music you play. It is scam. Nobody give her money on Facebook again. She says she don't see money on Facebook again. What did she do? She now went to street to got herself naked the way she normally do. Nobody like it. You irritate. Sometimes people don't like it. When people see your body, not everybody like to see nakedness. Not everybody. They know there is some nakedness. So people that will wear something, it will look attractive. Yours don't look attractive. Yours don't look attractive. Your own body shape look like a dying python. Do you know when a python die? That is how you look like. Die python when it don't die, when it don't decay. That is how your skin look like. Look at your belly. What's this? What kind of shit is this? Go see this thing. Beyonce when they take sick na Nigeria. Beyonce na your mama na your papa This is our true story yo. You are killing me too, dada I feel say you listen. I know everything. I've been musician Why can't she go at blue? Thank you, John. She was on the art blue movie that she can when she got there, maybe only one shoot. They will give her 20. You want to see bros a Beyonce. When do you put this thing? And she will go and look for blue film area. She will go there because she need money. You know, you see those people, your age is 20, 10. You want to ride car. A woman that is walking over 30-something years, you were not born. When you see the woman cruising big car, your eyes is there. Yeah. She don't even know what she wants again. She's tired of Facebook. Facebook didn't help her. This thing, YouTube, she didn't make it on YouTube. She didn't make it on Facebook. What she did now, she took herself to the street. Did you see? You guys not see her now? Nobody was watching her. When you see her body language, when she's dancing, she's watching. My people, who they dance, they watch. Not be people they watch who they dance. Is people that watch who is dancing. Now, she's the one dancing. She's the one watching people. She go dance much. She will do like this. She will they watch whether they watch her. Nobody is going to watch you. Everybody that is there, that day. What do you see? Husband and wife, husband and wife, husband and wife. Some of them will take their husband come out. Some of them will carry their husband face come out. Don't, if they don't tell their husband, so yeah, look that way. That is what they were doing. Yes, did you see? They go and look it very well. You husband and wife, husband and wife, husband and wife. And she want to disgrace herself. She went to where husband and wife they busy. She went to husband and wife area. That is where she went to. When husband and wife is coming now, some women they'll come carry their face come out. Yes, you know sometimes Oyibo that they protect their household, their home. If you come out sometimes, Oyibo they look you. Me, I don't see. If I dress come out, even if you be my enemy, you go greet me. Because I get that beautiful body, my leg, everything. If I wear short thing. If husband and wife they come now, me and they come now, if the man they look, the wife will come out his face. I will laugh. Yes, because they protect their husband. Yes. See me alone, say if you prick fist stand. You know, men, yes, if they will come out. The particular place this Totoyoto went to go and disgrace herself. She went to a place where husband and wife and kids do play and boyfriend. You cannot see a single guy there. That the place she went to, you cannot see a single guy there. Where you see a single guy, in the afternoon, you don't see single guys. Now in the night, now they see single guy. Everybody get how they play. In the night, you see single guy in the night. Afternoon, you see husband and wife with their children. You see boyfriend and girlfriend. That they enter shop, they enter this thing. Yes, a single man cannot be walking in the afternoon alone. It's not possible. Now night, single man with single women, night, now be their companion. This woman, she went to go and stay where husband and wife with kids pass, and boyfriend and girlfriend. She was dancing. Nobody was watching her. She's the one dancing. She's the one watching people. People supposed to watch you. As you don't turn to a street dancer. People supposed to watch you. No, if you can't dance more, they can't look whether they look you. They don't look you. They are not interested in you because look at the particular place where this idiot stay. I wish I followed that road that day. And you see that in your man, go throw away and put for inside that bush when they your back. I'll carry on. I'll just carry on. I will just throw away because we don't know. Maybe when she will get home now, she will see husband and wife, they are going now. She will first of all seek that one. She will seek the place where you went to go and be scattering your stupidity. Did you see the people that was there that day? What do you expect? You expect a husband and wife, a married man, to open zip, come put money for your this thing. You act like a prostitute. Are you serious? Are you getting it? What's your problem? What's your problem? Illiterate people, look at your life today. Look at your life. You useless your life like a dedena wench. You useless your life. Look at the place where you went to go on stage. So year to year, we know they see you they sing. I've never seen this girl on a show say she's the one holding this show today. She's the one holding this show today. Let's go there. Let's go and watch her. No. I've never seen they have set disco light. You know, they see club light. They see show light. Every light will they make woo, 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 different color. I've never seen. Totoyoto, shame on you. You are a disgrace to yourself. You are a disgrace. Oh, Justice Dube, may God continue to bless you, sir. You are a very wonderful man, a kind man. You see some of these black people, they make you to be a stupid man, and they are the one that is stupid. Onyara. Onyara. Musician. Shiva Savage. I did Shiva Savage. If I write am for there, I will feel pronounce am. Shiva Savage. Did you see her when she went to London to go and play? Now musician be. When they invited her, and a justice say, okay, now me don't they call her Justice Dube, my personal person. No say now they call her right from town. No fit scrape my brain. Did you see when they invited her? Totoyoto, did you watch her? Siwa Savage, okay, Siwa Savage, God bless you, my love. Did you see Siwa Savage? Did you see her when she entered? Now that one, come meet that one, made they make her you, made they nurse you to be a musician. Let Siwa Savage be your mentor. Did you see little young girls now? They go with Savage. You want blow? If they come Facebook, you know say we not get what they do. Now food I won't cook. You know say we what they do Facebook. Lovely day there. Now me won't make you blow. Who make me blow? Eh? I tell these people yesterday say, may we go my page. They not really follow me go. This my lovely Kyoya, I don't know the which when they this lovely Kyoya will be say we no gree leave lovely Kyoya page. Now so this page. Never see musician when they sing song every month. Korra na bad person. Very on this thing unbelievable twat. When you were misbehaving, I come out to come and say, my sister, they will. You see this thing you want to start with your life. You will regret it in your future. You did that video that day that they mishandled. But today, okay? I talk to you. As I leave these people, all of them, then, Korra, don't worry. If you want help, I will help you. If you want this, I will do you. If you want that, I will do that. At the end of the day, when you come on pure water, they say if you reach Nigeria, come on pure water. You know they give people. I say, pure water, beggar they give. Eh? Now I make no better so. If they beg, eh? They say beggar never lack. Make I wash my hand. He go where we. Now money they beg for street. Look at the position where you stay. How do you expect a married man with a married woman, a wife, go come give you penny? If you as they call that their wife, they push their face go bush. Oh yeah. Now so that they run for you, Did you see the way they are running? Eh? That they run say tomorrow. No, they say, why are they running? Why are you running, people? My people, why not they run? Now so that they run. They don't want even see you safe. They don't want now because he said that they come. They come. They don't want to see you. They don't want to see you. After they talk to you, I be not that. I don't be small people. I'm not a small child. Because when I come Facebook, but see when supposed to advise you now. When I tell you on our mate, at the end of the day, now come useless. You see, I wish you listen to people that day. You know, it's so shameful, so disgusting, yeah, unbelievable, untrained child. You went to go and sit and start fooling yourself. Where married women, children pass, you naked yourself. They do like this. I don't know what you they dance. Now they say stupid dance when you they dance. Now that your sister still they dance so. That woman, your sister, Now that one, if that one so they dance, now so that one take they dance you. I say, this your sister dance. You drive your sister come up for husband house, when you only. I don't know how they look his sister dance. And which dance so? Humu gata, make gata, Korra gugu, humu gata. Now so his sister when you this the baby, you don't say when you born, Don't say some people oh, they go where baby pot. Those are here now baby pot. Now so his sister tell them, you never see his sister. Gung, Korra gata, imu gata, ini gata. I say, so now your sister dance, now you they dance now. You don't see when you don't go to sometimes this is the day I wish we they see they use Korra music they dance. I say, that means this music now useless music. If that one could just put on, that one they do like this. All the old fufu when they leg, when they that one leg, before you go carry and down, that the fufu go make grrrr. Korra music. That one, not say that one. I don't know which I want to do that one. That one here, you don't slack. That one here don't slack. Here, don't slack with here. Gigi. If you don't carry the leg up, put on for down, you go make grip. I say, oh, Korra music. All the one. This your music, eh? It's good for this toilet fly. For your body. Korra gada. You go gada. Korra gada. Now so that one take the dance. Useless set of people. Eh? Are you passing here? Give me Coca-Cola. This one is sweet. It is slap. It is sweet, but give me Coca-Cola. How I need to pack this meat? Don't come here. Wait, let me give you something so that you pack it there inside. Oh, where is it for a tire now? Be like saying I'm there. Everybody cook. When my daughter help me remove the meat, don't take. You see? I think this fly they are the hear noise. You see your life? Eh? Nick because you will do. Mary won't even enjoy. Okay, you cook banga soup. Enjoy them. Yeah. Hey, amen. Okay, they do makeup. Yeah, but correct and well. I'm gonna chook pencil for your hair. I don't spoil your makeup, yeah. Now so, as this one come, this winch, as it come, I can't know say Korra is going to sit down on the ground without no chair. Korra is already down long time. And I said this thing day here. How you enter here? Vert, oh yeah. Very. Why you go enter here? Yeah? Hey. Oh yeah. This too. And I hear for don't say they're not they stay inside house. Why you enter here? Hey. You see how my people back on the live on may I cook. Maybe next time we'll come finish and maybe tomorrow we'll come down. Penny. Supporting her now. She is finished. Yeah, they support her now. She's finished. It's nothing now. It's nothing but a ant, little ant that you will put leg, you go match and pass. You know? Look at her. She can never, God bless you, Lolo Joyce. She can never support good. This is still come again. Papa, live there. People when carry children, they take care of children, they talk to them, they don't hear. This is the day when the one egg when he lay, throw away 70 something. Now she lay the egg. Now me with the daughter, now they say group, now we day. And the day was born 60 something. 60 something, now they born a day. She can never support good thing. Now, they have destroyed. One are just the chopper. If you not chop and finish, I will use the water. Take cool stew for now. No, I don't just say if you not the chopper, not the panic because now we fair use and cook for. So, you know, so you bought children. If you cook, they chop the meat finish. The stew when they there, now they will still come chop am. You know, so if you give them food, they'll first chop meat before they start to they chop food. Now so you both they do. You see, huh? Now so, you know, you choose that one. They rush you. Why are you rushing? Are you a rusher? Hmm? You want to go? You want to say hi? You want to show your face? Papa, what's your problem? What's your problem? It's like you want to finish all. That's what. Because you are the man of the house or what? Because you be my papa. You now see this speaking. See am. Now 2 legs of chicken be this one. The boss. See am. Not be this one, guys. You don't chop and finish. And that one don't chop too. When I don't chop and finish. Mommy, I asked you to remove it from the water. You ate half of it, though. But if you ate it off, you have eaten. Eaten. That's my son. Yeah, you know. Now so the one they eat remain now they chop. That is it. You see, huh? Instead of to solve the story with Justice Dube, make them take their children together. You suffer go in mother-in-law house. No, you not go. For women, they just say, oh, I wish I have mother-in-law. Some black women, they married to white man. They'll say, oh, I wish I have mother-in-law. But the one that have mother-in-law, they do fight too, and they play also. That is why people for you, sometimes their head go correct, sometimes their head not the correct. This one, what do? You left Justice Dean, then you come to Facebook. What they do? How many years do you spend with Justice? Well, just ordinary 2 years, I mean 3 years. Look at your life today now. Your market don't die. And don't cyberspace, don't sell them. The one that pretend to fight for you, they never even love what you did. No woman on this head that will congratulate a fellow woman that congratulations that you get a divorce. No woman on this head. No woman. Before some women get into divorce, they know that they can't take it anymore, but not yours. Not yours. Now hungry, they hungry. Are you hungry? If they hungry, no. Food for America. If you find the biggest size of chicken in America, 9 days, the chicken, in fact, reach like me like this. Then you started disgracing yourself. You want to be musician. Look at you now. A musician when they chop for Facebook. Come on, they chop together. Musician that chop on Facebook. This musician, I've never seen her in any occasion one day. In a Miami occasion where you go one day, they never start to the interview and she come to interview herself. Never the interview out. They're not gonna ask a question. You see some musicians, they use microphone till they do a mouth. Oh, microphone like this. You see some musicians, if they are coming out on stage, that they give way. If you they go, you no get body guide, you no get butafori. That I will say butafori. Now so they be. You no get butafori, body guide. When they throw away person, when they gag person, you know they go. Not only you want they go with your rag when you they carry. You know she'll normally wear rag when she's going. You know, if you want to wear, say you want to sew Nigeria native for rugged, take it to a place where they do sew musician clothes in America. If they designer for you, they go designer. You go see the way we go fine. You know they see the Beyonce. Who you don't sing rich throw away necklace wey dey your neck. See am. This one wey dey my neck now. If I throw away for Nigeria now, that person don't get 300,000 now. You don't ever do necklace like this. You go throw away. Oh yeah, Facebook gonna catch am. Oh, you don't throw away and they go catch am. No. Now yama na they put for. Now they say they pull your ring for ear, go put for nose. Pull your ring for ear, go tack and don't know. What of the day when they walk up, they drag you. Their hand by mistake enter. Drag your nose, drag your ear. You never get pothole for your nose, be that. You not get sense. Come on, they teach you. You not see this necklace when I throw away just now. If this necklace now, people they look and say tiny, now gold, pure one. If this necklace reach Nigeria, you go collect 300,000. Not be said by mouth. More than 300,000 you go collect. If I say the money when I take buy necklace for you, this necklace, convert am to Nigeria money, you they collect more than 300,000. You see, how many don't throw away? See Jennifer Lopez. When they dance, now me you want come this. Which music you want sing when you go trigger me? Which music? Your father say, she's singing the music, let the music trigger me. For where? Me will not be musician. If I reach Nigeria, I carry this one through here. If people carry, I go and go sell them. They don't carry 400,000. He will say, hey. He will say, my people. He will say, you see that woman? Wait, throw away something can't give me when I pick. He will say, I cannot go and go. That thing was 400,000. $500,000. Nothing when they your body when they go test as a musician. When go be jail. No, all of them are quack. How can you be buy 550 necklace? A musician. You know they see some musician, their necklace go tiny like this. And their necklace go tiny like this. He go tell you, say, this thing na $25,000. You will say, because if I tell say, see how much I buy this one, they'll say, shut up. They feel say all those big one, now it dear pass. This 99 necklace that they dare where. You see, I cannot put them for your face. How many you don't throw away? See, Jennifer Lopez. When Jennifer Lopez come they dance, which dance? Whenever. No, Jennifer Lopez sing that music. I've been this first is singing, the second one. Jennifer Lopez, he got one music when he sing that time. When he call they sing, this thing when he wear, na chain, na for this thing, na he wear. This one he come cut. They call they find am. It dey expensive. Wetin cut comot for your body. The chain, it dey expensive. When they interview am, he said the necklace, you know how much he say he take buy am? When they interview am, you know how much he take buy that necklace? Onyara. Anything where black they do, they will just they like to climb. No. Life is stage by stage, step by step. Something they do am small. Una no agree do. When you rush too much, your career go rush die. As you rush too much now, you can't get career. You over rush and your career over die. I say you can't go to beg money for streets. It's a pity. How can a musician, where the call self? Where I can keep on? Okay. How can a musician be doing Babiala? Oh, now when they say, Korikata, 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 I say, sister, take the dance away there, guy who went in Nigeria. Korikata, Korikata. See, now, I don't even watch you. I dey pass you. I know your step for your dance. I wish I could watch you go. I'll go buy pints, buy brazier, wear am, come open am like this, come dey shake am. You see, if you dey line, they go talk say that mumu woman dey line. If they use your music take dey dance, they go leave you. Once I throw away cloth now, say, let me just throw away this thing. Use brazier, use pints. I'll dey now your dance, I will dey dance. I put your music, they'll say, do you know that woman? Eke, they'll say, yeah, they'll say it's online now, it's dancing Korra dance. You are done with that. Coins. Now you go the Bedford Street. Hey, I don't tire for you. You read my day, and you can never read my joy. Coins. Now I can't buy me. And una de zuzu. Papi qui say daddy say su de zuzu. Quand si amo na Korra de zuzu. Hi! Disgrace, look at Korra. You when musician go dey dance, I wish that they say, they want look you that day. They go fool. They go fool where? Just since I went there in Nigeria, that one, that Ekwesu. That one for call they play am. That one for even the jealousy set. That one get jealous has died. That girl na lesbian and she be Adrisian lesbian. She jealous die. That girl. She dey marry the same time she be lesbian. Fine. Useless people. I for not even talk and self. I don't like to talk with you and see. You see how? Useless people. Women, when they'll say that their husband house, they go carry back home for house. Their husband not go follow, they go meet fellow women like they. What did they do? Not be the woman house, not be they go. You say you go greet a fellow woman. As he read there, that one husband called their house. No. They work out for hotel to hotel. Just less people. God will soon disgrace una. Small, God will they disgrace una. You see? That one now, you don't get anything now do. Now so take the dance your dance. Gaga. Now so if they want start the dance, whether not crazy, I don't know, they'll do like this. You see that they do like this. You hold this that they do like this. Now say here you they start. They start itself. Which kind of people do that one? Una can't disgrace una self. I don't know where these people from. And they know my personal person. Now so she come sit down. Una where they say justice dustbin, justice this one, justice that one. When I come see a Kinuwaya do with Facebook and they feel I'll cost you. No schools to call, no guess you give me to rotate your pastor. When I come see waiting, help. Don't be Allah, help. Why not carry your children go street? If you carry your children go street, they're going to give you money. How we say that your children you carry and sit down and they beg money, they will give you. Maybe it's 2 months, they will call America, this thing come. Make they come collect the children for your hand because you dey craze. She was begging coins. Hey, hi, America musician, both home and abroad. You can be both pot toilets and pit toilets. Now, not waiting be pot toilet. Now the one who the shit put the relax pot toilet. The one where in Nigeria pit toilet where we the bend down put. This one dustbin. This guy is a borrow pit. This guy is a borrow pit. You don't see the road where they do that time. They go borrow sand, dig sand, borrow one for inside pit. Use and take do road. Then if they come, they will come enter. They call him borrow pit. This guy is a borrow pit. She's so annoying. And collected their family. They run for their family too. She put money. This is down to put money in box. This fucking bitch can't they beg money. This retired musician can't they beg money. Of money may not to have safe waste. Yeah. Wow. She tell me as I just be so. Even inside this supermarket, say my money, e no reach. Say I want carry this one, my money no reach, Say na this one, now I put say my money no reach, Say na this one I want buy, na this one I see dear pass this one. This one na almost €2. Now this soap don't dey now. This one how much it be? 40 something cents, I be 39 cents with the to bring a coin. It be 50 cents. If now this one I dey my mind, this soap day. I know say I get this soap extra for house. I must get extra because I dey buy extra. I gotta drop this, take this. Yes, I'll drop this, take this because this is what I want at that moment. Take what you want at that moment so that the money will be sufficient. It will be sufficient for you to live life. Look at you. You don't even have money. You like to eat expensive food every day by day. You dey buy street, they chop. You dey buy big fish, they chop. You don't have money. You see the white people that eat big fish, stream, blah, 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 blah. They don't eat it every day. They don't eat it every day. You every day now you take the buy and they chop, buy and they chop. They don't buy it like that every day. She's a peanut girl. She's a peanut. That's how they got to say she buy her. Now so her man still carry and drive van when she come to say, ooh, I say if you don't buy her, I know. When you want to see the money, do you know what is $100,000? Do you know what is $100,000? Where is she going to get that money? Where she don't sing? Where she don't sing for Oyibo? I will say she still sing for Oyibo. Now I will sit and say the ticket money when they take enter. Only ticket money alone, she can get like $50,000 there. If people go enter, like now she who want buy. But if other musicians they go now ticket money, when people come to they watch the night they take they make her. Not be able to their music. Ticket money. If they carry this person come here now, where they call her? Flavor Nabania. The time when Flavor Nabania come 2012, I went there. It's €35 for each for person. You know, see, now inside they will carry Flavor Nabania money come out. Now inside now they will carry the rentage come out when they take rent. You see? And when you are coming in, you don't come with drink. They will search you whether you get drink because drink they there. And you see bottle there is €250. And you see bottle when they sell this thing for €25 for shop. When you get inside there, it's $250, $150. That is the place where they get the money. How did she get her money? Nothing. They will take, she will, maybe they invite some people. Now people will be saying, invite Korra BD. Invite Korra BD. Invite Korra forbidden. You are forbidden. That your name is a forbidden name. I don't want to call that name again. Let me they call you Totoyoto. They will say, oh, invite Korra to Toyota. Invite Korra to Toyota. They'll just say, let's check if we still have a space where we can manage her. They will come and put her on the last list. The last line, even the last line, you know, where the notebook, you know, notebook have the last line before you see this thing. Even the last line, her name will not be written there. They will take it off. They will write her name there. Before they will call all the musicians, before those ones start dancing, bringing what they know how to do, before they get to her turn. Everybody don't work out, they come on small. She will come shave that time. She can't be like say she go follow. They be write her name. At the end of the day, they come be like say she go follow. We can't look. You know, say we won't buy ticket. They come be like say she can't follow us. Go look. She be follow look, but her name be dead there. You see her name is written there, but she become a follow look. If you come to say, I enjoy this music today. She go see the time say she enjoyed the music today. But you're supposed to participate there. You're supposed to play. You were one of them because you were not a phone. Because nobody know you. You are just a rat, a pit fly. Then that is what you will always be on Facebook. That's how you go be for Facebook. What do you think? Facebook can that's where we dance. If you are looking for people that is dancing the way you are dancing, not to Ishan, they call them bebe. They arrange themselves. Now we get the dance that year when they carry go America. They stay for a year. They stay on top. And then they sing Ubabonemi. Now so they see that dance. Who they on top go they do like this? You don't get the one when you dey for inside. You can't disgrace yourself. Musician enter house. This one a quack musician. This musician is the most, I don't understand. Musician when you be, you know the shame. It's painful. My heart is bleeding. I'm so broke. I'm finished. I'm down. You take yourself. You go beg money. She go to Shoroti. That's what I said. They start their dance. They will run like this. They will be like this. I say, what you now want dance? I'm begging there. Hey, she go do Shoroti. Signora, qualcosa di per mangiare, io fame. Signora, qualcosa di per mangiare. Now so, you can't put this thing down. This girl, she no get shame because she's under depression. You know, when people is under depression, they don't longer have shame again. She's a shameless lunatic. This girl is a lunatic. She took herself down to the streets. You carry bus. You carry bus. You know if you carry cameraman. If you can't dance, they go come they look. What do you think? Who have time for this your nyama body? Who have time? The time when you deal with justice, now so you be. Is it how you look like? Now your head go big past your body. Now so you go carry head like this thing. So giants. Now so you go carry. Now so you go be like so giants. You know see so giants. If they waka when they will raise their leg up, their belly may fear, their leg may fear, their head go big. They will do like this, They will carry themselves down. Then they look. You know see so giants. They go war. One go dey front. Now he top pass. And I head big pass. If they don't waka, no say they get whistle when they say we don't see this area before we go cross. We look road. Now the soldier ant, the big one, he go dey front. Another big one go dey back. Soldier ant, you know, it doesn't be like human being now. Who tall? Then they put am for front so that you go dey see everywhere. Then they still go put am for back. If you don't waka, if they don't, they come, they go waka. You know, say, this soldier ant, they get big, their nash long like that. Then they go with their this thing, go the mechanic they go. If they go reach where they go cross, they no border. The senior one go come blow whistle. He will come get up, come check like this. Check area. He head big way with the eyeball. The eyeball go dey make one. And they looking for cartoon where. If you want to know wetin they talk, go dey watch cartoon. You will see soldier ants. They are very intelligent. If you kill one, now this thing that they do go, leaf. Now no leaf now. Leaf. That thing when they hold leaf, no say leaf be like this. That is when they now they think they do go. Once one die, you go see them. That tree when they there, you don't finish. All your leaf when they that tree, they will bring them down, collect their weapon. Now so this one do head like it's a giant. See your head. And she will say carry with put. If you got the waka so tight, she go the waka go back. Wait, make I use this one. See ya. Now she no fat. She dey carry plenty hair. She will come do the hair. I don't get time for you. Not say that they beat you some these days. I don't get time. If she come dey touch, she will then go. She go dey stagger like this. Now hair the hair don't too heavy. She go dey stagger. People will say if she come stagger, she will combine this system. Don't dance. Now lie on the head, they wave up and down. You know the way hair to me. I dey like Bob Marley, cause if I carry Bob Marley, no be me. If you like, I leave am, I tie am, it will be like say the waka go back. I want to carry Bob Marley. If I carry Bob Marley, say I want to say make I play Bob Marley. You know, go reach 1 week, I will lose am. Cause they carry me go. But if you go carry the Bob Marley, now she be like soldier slim. Now she they carry Bob Marley. She will go the waka. If now see say they do like this, now don't say now the Bob Marley now they wave on because you don't get stamina to stand. If we come back, if you want for you, go like she won't fall. She jump by the pretend. Korra, Totoyoto. You see? Now penny. Now you go beg for streets. Ha! To be frank and sincere, this is it right? Is it right? Is this not a disappointment to the people that is following you, giving you star? Upon how those people are giving you star, you still take your disgrace down to the streets of America. You do disgrace your fans. You are totally disgrace to your fans. Upon they give you star. Why you know they satisfy? Why are you so greedy? Why did you satisfy with the little thing you have? Why are you like this? Why are you disgracing your fans? Why did you bet to disgrace yourself? You are a disgrace. Where is she coming from? Who is the parents of this little girl? Where? They know they see nobody they talk to you when you they hear. See now you don't use less finish. Now coins, you wear clothes. Carry where they call her? The JP boss music. You carry an enter street with something to beg money to put on for ground. Ha! Justice, this woman have disgraced you. Justice, family go they look you now. You say, chai. If that man say he go marry black now, even if village people no go agree. The village people will not agree. Jesus Christ. May I leave una? Make I leave una. Make we go they go. Because I don't tire. Now say I want to get straight to this game matter. If una say I don't get straight to somebody matter, I know say that person is already kaput. You go they dance for street? For waiting now? When they carry you reach there now? When do you, no matter how you go dance for street reach, and then go to put coins there, you go raise 300 euro? Seriously? Are you kidding? What's this? Oh my God. On the street begging? You are a dancer? When your mates, they invite your mates all the time. Even me, when not be musician, they don't invite me. I tell them, say, I know they come for house. I be whole base lady. Eh? If this girl go to dance, she will always remain backward. When they interview everybody, how today, how do you enjoy today? They not before you go, they look them whether they will bring microphone come. If they reach inside, you want talk, they'll carry the microphone come out. If they nobody knows you. They can never know you because the head when you carry come this life now, bad head. When the event is finished, you know when something is finished, now you see musician, and they'll say, "Wow, oh, I'm so happy, I'm so glad, I'm so empowerment, I'm so this, oh, I'm so well, I'm so." If they're gonna tell you, he go sit there for line or dance, he not dance. They never see him dance when he don't dance. When I don't see full video when he dance for this thing stage where he did. Only the stage where we for see and now when you go they follow Ghana children they bath for river. This nyama woman. Who they talk to you with caring, with love. How they love person when he craze. This one, where they want drive and go, my sister, and my mommy, where they want drive this one go, this one, where this is going to nowhere. Afternoon, my personal person, Osaro, is it Osaro, Abi Osaro? Eh? Then they will be asking people, they'll say, yeah, people we follow the musician, call up, they say, yeah, it's my favorite musician, yeah, I love her music so much, or I love his music so much. Korra of the look, whether they'll carry microphone. If they come, they come. They never even reach where they want to, they'll carry and come out. Nobody knows you. Nobody knows you. Write novel for music. You know write novel for music. Go they write novel, how you take sleep for ground, how just Bibe taste whip you, I take blow you. Now just the Bibe novel. Now you go they write. Instead of you to the time when they write that novel, instead of you to use and write music. They say you there America, you can't even sing America music. Which music they sing? Ajegule musician try now. Timaya, Ajegule they for come now. All of them. Which music they sing? I don't know. Whether now Akwa Igbo, village English, I don't know. Korra gaga, you mean gaga, you get gaga, you see gaga, bang 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 bang. Who want use that music dance? Who Korra gaga, you see music gaga, gang 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 gang. Who want use that dance? Before you dance like this, what do you make up when you carry come party? All of them you go use this thing to respect can. Don't say they talk matter. And they swear say tomorrow no day. Oh yeah, bye. On our so je, or so je. How can a musician when they don't have space? May I call them? All I call you a musician. All of them when they fight for at that time. Hey, proud mommy, Olosho proud mommy. Come and carry your this thing, your Aspire product. Come on for this Facebook. Proud mommy, come. Proud mommy. As proud mommy don't shout to reach for Facebook. Proud mommy never enter street. They beg money. Thank you, my love. Proud mommy, come on. All of them they say just dustbin. See, now they support that and don't enter street. They beg money for street. See, if you come that they'll come put this thing. And no be too much when they go put. Because they put coins. They don't even put nothing. Because the zoo where go stay, now husband and wife with children, with boyfriend and girlfriend, now then they pass for there. Now that place he could just see, say, you want to carry this thing put. Why you don't go put her for airport, for United, for America, for airport. Now for good. So that our Nigerian people, when they come and they will see the way when you take they disgrace yourself. Who again? Monica Alobolobo. Ambrose's wife, come see Korra. Korra don't they beg for street. Ambrose's wife. Monica don dey do live video for how many years? He never enter street, use chair sit down, dey beg. Hey, T-boss, dey come. T-boss, come see Korra. T-boss, oh, T-boss, he wan come that time. T-boss wan scatter. T-boss, come see Korra. Korra dey beg for street. She say all the next say she dey dance. She use dance take cover up. Before this woman go street, go beg. You know, say this woman not get money for wallet. This woman don't have money in the wallet. This thing now, this money when I get now, 70, 75. Now 5 cents can remain now. I will carry the crate of this water. You see, I say I don't calculate them. This one na crate of water. Now this money be so. Not be only this money, no be I get now. That means say this woman, she don't have any money with her anymore. That is why she went to street. T-boss, I think this woman tell her that they say, now good to go kill now. Say no see una, say una message. Not be waiting she tell na be that. Now bet she go the bed for street. Who be that person again when she go the shut off am? Hey. Now street now. Now they come they put money. Hey! Che, Bambi Allah. All the names say you they dance. Who stand watch you? Nobody stand watch you. Why they not? You don't let the camera person when you hold video, the video one. You don't let that one, the video people. If that one want video people, you go quickly tell that one say make it look this side. Go quickly they draw that one attention because you don't want to make that one come disgrace am. You don't want to make that one come disgrace am. Totoyoto enter house. Totoyoto. Oh. I greet you too. Lolo, how you dey? Posh baby. Now, sister, oh, you just dey come now. Now, sister. Now, this thing. Now, you go take the bag. I be you don't dey here since. Because I never see your comment since. Maybe you just dey here since. Okay, I don't see your comment. Okay, you don't dey here since. Now, bet you go to beg. All the name of dance. Okay, the brother say color the warrior. They pass. You know, say they have your bene. Then they come out. Now so you go they take waka come out. Now so they go they do like this. They go they dodge am. They go they dodge am. She go see. Now she they supposed to they look. Now she go they look people. My people, I don't know bishan yari. I no bishan no buke yari. Who they dance now they look. They now. Because they look people when they pass to see say a kid podja. Market podja. Go there. The day when you go there again now police. You go they pay tax. You see that day when you go there, you must pay that tax. You are going to pay it. They will put you in tax because you know if you stay there, they collect money for free. You are too stingy. Okay, that's the come. Welcome. You are too stingy. You will be paying tax now. These people, all those people when you see say that they carry this thing come they play jetta. Green. If you look paper when they put for there sometimes. Now volunteer. Those people when they volunteering, they call them volunteering. Where they call them for English. And now volunteer they call them for English now. They call them volunteer. You see they will put paper there. If you read down where that person is a musician. That is only the place. That is only the thing that she will do to contribute on people's life. Like people that is sick, like people that need help. As far as that person can sing, he can do this thing. He will say, these people, they just dey Euro for nothing's sake. They go write am, put for there. If you look at where, you go stand, you go they play music. People they put money. If you go there and you read them, they go talk say, this thing they come from so place like this. Say they want look for money for people, you know, to donate, to gather money. Or you they gather money for people. Small. That's why you they gather. This money one I say that they give us. You see second hand? Second hand when they see so, how it be? I don't work for second hand. Yes, I don't work for second hand. The money when they second hand, they carry and go charity home. Not be government get them. They don't they give them to government, now charity, now they give them to. If you don't want to use thing now, they go send motor, they'll go park them. The one where they go park, when you go let them sell, they'll carry and go second hand. The one where they don't let them sell, you put them for street. You book appointment, you put them for street, then they'll come park those one come out as a dirty. The one where you go let them sell, they'll carry and go second hand. If you reach second hand, they sell them 50 cents, €1. If na big things when it's still good, 200, 50, 25, chair, 25, 30. All those things, I did close session that time. You see, they put this in toys, or toy when children they play remain, all those things, so many things like that. Now charity, now they go. You see most of those people when in their street, they go they carry guitar, they sing. The paper where they put for there, look and wear. Look the paper wear. Now people come help, they come volunteer, say, he be musician. He no get waiting, no help when go help now. He will carry this guitar, go street, sing. Any money when they go give him, he go carry and come. You don't see, but they see the one where they find for their own self. They see the one where they find for their own self. The country knows that they don't know man. Even if say you give them €1,000, they will still go. If you put them for prison, if you leave them, they will still go. They see all those one. But you see all those one where they carry guitar, some of them. You don't see Oyibo now, he carry dog. He carry dog, he carry guitar. Look and where. Now he dog, now he can't do that Bambi Alafo. He dog. You can't see Oyibo they put money. You go say dog need help. The dog want it. Look the paper where. He dey. You know say we won't be bright. If they go, you say, I beg. You just carry money, you just put for there. Look and where. Most of them, that they help them for charity. You see, I greet you, my love. I talk and say, baby, my love, they go come for Dr. Yoto. A day to remember. Yeah, she will remember this day, my love. She's gonna remember. Me, I know the queer attack person. I be that one person. I know the queer attack. She pack her belongings with her nyama rag when she dey wear. She pack it and go to the street where husband and wife with children they pass. Which woman when you want let your husband come they look you? You see that road so, They must call police bound you for that road. Why you know they dance for street again? You dey dance for street again. Any street when you go dance now, they go drive on. And the other day she say she have her neighbor that I just read there, I don't pass her. Be like say her neighbor not like her something like that. They won't like you. Everybody have clothes to wear. You will wear pant and brazier come up for house. Are you serious? When your neighborhood married men dead there, married women dead there, boyfriend and girlfriend dead there, who does that? Who does that? Who does that? You want people, you know when they come and praise you. What do you even think? What do you think? So because you go to a Edo Sabbath space, these people was carrying you, fooling you. You think that everybody will take you the way Edo Sabbath space people take you. So you were not informed. You were not told that your foolishness end up in Facebook. Nobody know you outside there. Nobody gotta know your fucking dead day. Get inside. So I don't know what they call una head. Una fit say, for example, say as 100 people they watch you, 1,000 people they watch you. Say really, they love you. Seriously? So for your mind, you be say you don't there. You be say the world don't know you. You never know that the world knows you for stupidity, idiot, fool. The way when you take the naked, if not so you both take the naked, Korra, you fine. You don't see Oyibo with shape. You fine. Now you no fine. Now you they come out. Your nose be like horse nose. You know they look your nose. You know they look your. If you be musician wey true get money, that your nose you for go do one like Michael Johnson yo. That Totoyoto for one day. Yeah, nobody like her because no. I don't know. No, nobody like her. No. Now so it might be. He come they fool herself. Oh my God. They say, do you know what make you fail today? She think that Facebook is a light. You never know that Facebook is a darkness place. Nobody recognize you. Go to Nigeria. Nobody knows you. Everybody, you go see. Now this person that day, where they call him? That short guy where they are moving. Osita Iyeme. Is it Osita? Be the second one. Is it not Osita? I don't know. Be na Chinedu. Now that one she can't see they carry Chinedu. You they carry Chinedu. You want to show say they carry Chinedu. You don't tell me they watch Chinedu. You for find person carry now. Now Chinedu you see they carry they go. Yeah, see they now so Chinedu they for where they. Chinedu. Is it Chinedu abi Osita Iyeme? Now Osita see they carry they go. If now Osita, now you want to tell us say you arrive. Osita not the market. Osita is not on the street. Nobody they price Osita. All the people when don't carry, nobody they price them. Who they price them? Who they price them again? Nobody. You carry people when no they like again. Nah, then they carry. Why you not go carry Zazu? Zazu, go carry Zazu. You forgot me Zazu. Make Zazu blend you. Come they beg. All these musicians, there's Zazu now. He will come sing for you. Zazu now, because how Zazu they sing in music. Oh, Yoruba, this don't come out from my mouth. Ekara, Totoyoto, they beg money for street. Totoyoto, they beg money for street. He said, they be Nigeria musician. You see your life? Ewu merije. What do they call you Ewu? I think say, na the one when you lost road. No, na the one when they inside guiding. I don't say na the one when you lost road. Now you be. I come here, I bring my charger. Now I come. You see, Ewu. Another day I'll come out for you. My people, may I leave you now. If you want dance, if you don't see your period finish, you there with your ovulation period, go buy the pad. Go buy the pad, make you dey wear. That one, if you come and join your pint, they know they see and that one. You know, say some pad there, if you come and join your pint, in case if you go open leg, make you not go show. This one, you know they show. You come and join your pint. You know they show for outside pint. So that if you dey dance, that your seke pint, when you make seke, you dey use until they cover and maybe one day now, so you see come out with your period. Musician wey they use ovulation period till they dance, use ovulation period till they stay on your body. You know they shame. You are a disgrace. Shame on you. Una bye bye.